Hello or welcome to HS Academy. So today we will be discussing about the important topic, that is fire and gas mapping. Okay, so fire and gas mapping we will be discussing in this video. What is fire and gas mapping? What are the applications of fire and gas mapping? What is the methodology of that? Popular software for fire and gas mapping, and popular software of dispersion modeling. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to understand what is the meaning of the term fire and gas mapping. So see, fire and gas mapping, you can say it's a fire and gas mapping or fire and gas mapping study. So it is a very crucial study. For example, it is basically used to detect the optimal position for the detectors. These detectors can be anything. For example, heat detector, flame detector, and any type of detector. For example, smoke also, leak detectors also. Okay, now how? In that particular study, for example, this is our plant layout. This is our process vessel area, PV area. Okay, now here, for example, we have two vessels. Okay, there is a risk of leak from that vessel, and we want to install one detector here. So this is the area of coverage of that particular detector, but we need to put here 4 detectors to fully cover that particular area. Okay, but sometimes there will be some areas which will not be covered, which will be obstructed because of that particular positions. To identify, to tackle such problems, we use fire and gas mapping as a substitution. It will give you a 3D model of your process area. Okay, so you can choose the best location, which will maximize the coverage area or cone of vision. See, for every detector there is a cone of vision. For example, this is the detector, there will be cone of vision like that. Okay, if any fire signature, any means anything which is coming out of a fire or coming out of a particular event, for example leak, if any leak is there, ultrasonic sound will come. Okay, comes inside that particular cone of vision, it will be detected by that particular detector if it is functioning properly. Okay, so that is the particular objective of that fire gas mapping, to identify the optimum location for the detectors for easily identification and maximize the coverage area of any detector. Okay, application of fire and gas mapping, see, it is widely acceptable and widely applicable for the process industries, for the high hazard sector, for the offshore platforms. Okay, majorly in refineries. Methodology, now we need to understand the methodology. What is the methodology for that? How we use that particular fire and gas mapping in the process industry. So there is 4 steps for that. First of all, we need to identify the risk areas. For example, any process vessel is there is a probability that it will leak. Okay, identification of risky areas. Okay, now second step is to do a dispersion modeling. Now what is dispersion modeling? If you are interested, you can drop them in comment box, so I'll make a separate dedicated video on dispersion modeling. So dispersion modeling is nothing, just it will tell you if a substance is releases from somewhere in a pressure vessel, in a tank, so how it will get mixed with the normal environment. It will tell you like that. So what are all the popular software we'll be discussing at the last of the video. It will tell you how the particular contaminant will mix with the air, how it will spread with the external environment. Okay, we need to conduct a dispersion modeling. After conducting that, you can have an idea what will be the height of the detector, how we can place them for the maximum coverage, how the cloud will behave if once it get released from the particular source. So after getting that understanding, you can place the detector at the optimum location. Okay, and in the last you can do a review, or you can simulate a full scenario. A cloud get released, how much contact it is coming under the cone of vision of that particular detector. You can do all these things. This is the simple methodology for fire and gas mapping. Now, popular software of FNG mapping. So there are 2 major popular software which we use in the fire and gas mapping. That is your Detect 3D. Okay, see, this is one of the popular software. Why? Means it will give you a full understanding of particular models. And next, if you see that, it is Detect 3D. Detect 3D is there. Next is HazMap 3D. HazMap 3D. These are the two softwares which will give you multiple options to make a fire and gas mapping more reliable. If you go to the dispersion modeling, so I'll discuss you 4 major software which we use. AirMod View. Next is AirScreen View. Next is Austral View. Next is Atmospheric Radionuclide Transport Model. So these are the 4 softwares. You can check out them in internet, how to use them, what is the cost of them, because all they are payable, so you need to pay some amount for them. After getting that, you can take the complex models. Basically, you can use Detect 3D for complex model. Example, FPSOs, floating production storage of floating ships. In the complex geometries, you can use them. Now, what is the objective of that particular FNG mapping? It can be applied to the existing as well as newly constructed facilities. It will lower your risk as low as reasonably practicable, as well as it can early detect any releases, any hazardous events, so you can take appropriate actions on them to avoid any major mishap or any major catastrophic events and all. So this is the full analysis of this topic. If you like the video, kindly press the like button. If you have any suggestion for the next video or having the doubts from this particular topic, you can drop them in comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the notification of every video I upload. And you can follow our Facebook page EHS Academy for the latest notification for our video. And for EHS related updates, you can follow our TikTok account for the every notifications of any EHS related events which is occurring in your nearby area and other EHS related updates. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.